how to insert basic timeline in Microsoft Word. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So today I'm going to show you how you can easily insert basic timeline on your Microsoft Word. So go ahead and open up your Word document and go to a blank page. Then on the top, you will find the insert option. So this is where you need to find the basic timeline. Tap on SmartArt first, and then here, once the SmartArt opens, go to the process option on the left hand side. Now here you'll find the basic timeline. So go ahead and choose on the arrow like option, which is the basic timeline. So once you have chosen it, you'll need to hit OK. And then now this is where the editing part happens. Now you can see text option, go ahead and tap on it. So I'm going to put the timeline of World War. So I'll just put in 1914, the start of World War One. So I'll just write it down. So now I have put in some of the information, but there is no space for the timeline for end of World War II. Now to add the option, what you need to do is on the left hand side, you see arrow like option. Go ahead and tap on it, and here you'll find the option to add more information. So you can see once you tap on it, you can see all of the text that I've entered. Now go to the end and then hit enter. So this will add in more space. So now I can put in the information for end of World War II. So I'll just put in 1945, end of World War II. So that's it. Now, if you want to put in more information, you have to do the same. You just have to keep on hitting enter until there's a limit. So that's it. It's as simple as that to create a basic timeline on Microsoft Word. Now you also have the option to edit it. You can change the font styles. You can even change it to bold, italic, or even change the color. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching, everyone.